Hello, good day everyone. Today I'm gonna propose our business plan, which is all about ultra clean detergent powder. So, our product or our business is all about detergent powder, which is called ultra clean. So, what is this all about? So, we have company description here. So ultra clean detergent powder is a corporation kind of business owned by Mildred, Jerly, Rosalita, Roseline, and Angela Galvania. With a business address at Porok 5, Sintro Street, Mahanay, Talibon, Bohol. So we have mission statement of the business. So what's the mission of the business? So we have this business was to make sure to maintain the cleanliness, smoothness, and fragrance of everyone's clothes, especially every household around the world. So what are the long-term and short-term goal of the business or the ultra clean detergent powder? So most entrepreneurs wanted to make their business even more successful. So setting goal for their business is the key for them to be guided as they go along. So in ultra clean detergent powder business, the short-term goal is to serve and sell within the province of Bohol or within the town of Bohol or a specific town like Talibon. And the long term is to extend the service outside Bohol or even worldwide. So we have organization, organizing, controlling, and directing. So what is this in this kind of business? So we have the organization. We have first on the top is the CEO, who is Mildred Bilano. Under is the plant manager. We have Roseline, the house resource and admin manager. We have Julie. Merchandise manager, we have Rosalita. Marketing manager, we have Angelibel. Cashier, we also have Mildred. Client service manager, we have Julie. Machine operators, we have Rosalita. And distribution truck driver, we have Rosalita. So under that position, they have their specific staff. So, the operational procedure. So, what are the operational procedure of this business? So, the first step, we have step 1, prepare the equipment, materials, and ingredients in making the product. Step 2, procedure in making the product. So, what are the procedure? Upon having the ingredients, the materials, the equipment. So, what are the procedure in making the product? So, that is step 2. Then we have packing the product for delivery. So after we have make or create the procedure, we need to pack that one in order for ready for delivery. And then the last one is ready for selling. So after everything, so we have to sell that one to the market. Okay, so that's it. Next, we have product or service. So what is the product or service? So in this business, we are producing an ultra clean detergent powder, and we are open to serve our product to the whole worldwide. Yes. So here, price. So what is the price? So we, the entrepreneurs, are selling the best price to our product, and that is very affordable and where everyone could afford. It is for only 550 pesos sachet of it. Each sachet. So you have promotion and positioning. The advertising strategies is to promote this business are the television and radio advertisement. This is very appropriate to the product in order to create sales and to be known by everyone who have watched the television and listened to radio. The target, what what's the target market of this business? So this business will be aiming for every household who is washing clothes and also the so-called tiglaba or dalabandira, since it is very needed to use detergent in washing and cleaning clothes. So as you can see, if manglabata, we need detergent. So this business is very much applicable to that job. So we have next competitive analysis. What is competitive analysis? Since there are many brands of detergent in the market, they serve as a direct competitors, just like the other brands which other consumer use. And the indirect competitors are the one who sells Downy, Joy, etc. that could also replace the part of detergent as consumer use it as replacement for the meantime. So nadji uban nga consumer like they use sabon as dishwashing. So kana mga maka-afford nga mga consumer, they use Joy and other brands nga pang dishwashing good. But commonly as kata mga pobre, so we use detergent as dishwashing. So in buying the appropriate soap for that, they call it as indirect competitors. So next, financial information. So the startup capital for this business is 200,000 pesos and has so far been realized and will be committed to bringing up this business to fruition. We will incur an expenditure of 150,000, which will spend on the purchase of ingredients, equipment, and materials. The remaining 50,000 will be set aside as running costs. So if there will be other need to expense, so we use the remaining money. So for the projected sale, we can produce 40,000 pieces of ultra clean a month. So therefore, we gain 200,000 pesos amount per month. So makagayan siya gud gyapon. Di tantong lugi. Maskin barato atong kuan product. So what are the SWOT analysis of this business? The strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threat. So let's start up with the strength. So what's the strength? Okay, so our area of strength is that we have the best quality of product. And also, we serve to satisfy our consumers' need. Also, if there will be less or no competitor similar to this kind of product. So that is the strength of this business. How about the weaknesses? So the perceived weaknesses for our business is the consumer who haven't tried to use our product. They won't believe the power of ultra clean. So that's the weakness of this product. So how about the opportunity? All we have to do is to maintain, we have the opportunity to maintain the effectiveness of our product into its best quality in order to add and encourage more customer to buy more. And aside from that, the solid customer will also encourage or persuade other customer to buy the same product. So that's the opportunity. So we have threat. So what is the threat or mga pabag in this business? So one of the major threats that we are likely to going to face is the economic downturn and unfavorable government policies. Another threat that may likely confront us is the arrival of a new production company in the same location where ours is located. So that's the threat. That's the SWOT analysis from this business. So how about timetable? So we are planning to implement this business on July 1, 2021, Thursday at exactly 8 a.m. in the morning. So that's all about the method or the ways and how to implement this business. So what is the sa may porma aning ultra clean detergent powder? So charan, here is it. Chan. Mas pinasulit, you can save 250 pesos. For orders, address Purok 5, Sinto Street, Mahanay, Talibon, Bohol. Contact number 0963-729-4629. So, unsa pa yung gihuwat? Palit na! So, nabi ko yung mga pangutana. Is there any question about my presentation or the proposal? Okay, very good question. So, the question from our viewers is that maka-affect, pwede ba kuno mag-offer o sabi ko sa pagkaon pa free taste ani nga ultra clean detergent powder? Very good question. Since the budget is the budget allocated is very big, so pwede kaayo, pwede ta mo mukuan an maghatag usa og sample product para ma-test ba sa customer aron mangin sila nga tinuod jud di ay na pwede kaayo para mas mailado pud atong product and daghan pud ang magagni or ma-convince mo palit. Another question. Okay, very good. So, unsa kunoy kalahian ani nga product to the other product? So, kini ultra clean is sa word pa lang nga clean means makita jud nimo ang epekto after using this product. And aside from that, aside nga puti siya tinuod, ang imong kamot pod dili siya as in bitaw man kaglaba nga magputi-puti. Mas smooth pud imong kamot. Sama ka smooth ug kahumot sa imong dilabhan. Nga na ang ka-diferensya sa atong product compared to the other product. What else? Is there any question? Alright. No more? Alright, so since wala na may questions, so that's all for today. And thank you everyone for listening and for rendering your time sa pagpaminaw. So that's all. Thank you and God bless. Bye!